Am I audible now? Okay. Ah, let me start it over. So hey guys, this is day 7, and thank you Sunny for letting me know that my voice is not audible. So this is day 7 of 30 days of Flutter, and today we are going to implement a project. This project will be based on all the widgets that we have used till today. For example, a material app, container, sized box, app bar, bottom navigation bar. And for this purpose, I have designed a low fidelity design in XD, which looks like this. So we have two screens, basically one screen and another is a design over it, that is rover. So we are going to implement home screen and rover over it. In the home screen, you can see that we have an app bar, then bottom navigation bar, and then we have a post like design in between, where we have some post and few buttons like this. So we are actually going to use these boxes, and yeah, the small boxes will be replaced by icons, but this box and this container, then these three boxes will be like this. These two boxes will be also like this. We will add few widgets like text or some other thing. For example, the title over the app bar in the next coming videos. Right now, we are going to learn how to build this design. Okay, so stay tuned with me, and let's see how it goes. So let me remove all the codes from here. Okay, we as we know that all the Flutter applications start from the void main. So we will take void main. Okay, and Flutter cannot be run by without the run app. So we are going to use run app, and run app needs a widget app. Let's quickly make a widget app. So let's say my app, and it will extend stateless. Okay, stateless widget, and I want a material here. Okay, then we will have to implement the build method. Okay, let me remove this, and we want to return material app here. Okay, so return material app, it needs few important things. For example, title, that should be my app, and then theme should be theme data. Okay, let's give a normal primary color to it. Primary colors dot blue, that is default, and then we want to pass it a home. So home is a starting point of our application. Okay, let's give it a home page. We didn't made home page yet. Okay, so let's make a home page. So for that, I will create directory known as home page. Okay, then I will add a screen, that is a home page. So home page screen. Home page should be one word. Okay, home page screen. So let me make it a stateful, that is home page screen. Okay, let's quickly import the Flutter material here, and here also we have home screen. Okay, I have to pass my app here so that it can run on my app. And in the home page, let's do few things. For example, the scaffold, and then pass app bar and empty app bar. Okay, now it's time to run our application. So let me open my simulator. Yes, it will take them sometimes. Let me put it with Render Studio. Okay, and now it's time to run our application. So right now, as we can see, we have an empty my app with a home as a home page screen. So it will directly open the home page screen for us, and in home page we will see only the empty app bar. Okay, because the scaffold is empty and the app path data is also empty. So our app is being loaded. Let me close this. Okay, our app is loaded, and as you can see, we have an empty app bar over here. Okay, let's quickly see our designs. Our design looks like this. Okay, so on the top of the app bar, we need this hamburger icon, then some title box, and then an icon. This icon should be, you know, like share. So share the app. Okay, so let me put the title first. Okay, title takes a widget. Okay, title takes a widget, and in this design we want to put a box over here. So that for that case we are going to use container with the height 50 and width 150. Okay, let me give it a colors dot shade of 900. Okay, it will look some different. Okay, so we can see we got a box over here. Okay, the reason why I'm not putting any text or an icon over here because we want to cover it in depth in the next few videos. Okay, right now we will try to make our app similar kind of this. Okay, so this is home screen and then drawer screen. So right now we are making our home screen. So this is app bar. Okay, in the app bar there is an icon over here and we can achieve that using the actions options that is available in app bar. So here let me add icon button. Okay, in place of icon I have to place an icon. Okay, icons dot share. Okay, sure. Okay, I won't say. Okay, we can keep on press as a null, and if it is a null, then it is disabled. Okay, and if I pass it like this, then it is enabled. So we can see the color changes here. Okay, let me again show you. If it is a null, okay, then it is disabled, and it will be grayish or some black kind of thing. But if it is having some function, okay, it is also an empty function, but it is it is not a null. That is why it is coming as the white color, and we can see this click action or click animation. Okay, so we have made these two things. Okay, and let's move to the bottom navigation bar. Okay, so bottom navigation bar. So I want bottom navigation bar over there. Then I want items, and as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So four bottom navigation bar items. So I want four navigation bar item bottom navigation, and everyone needs icon. Let's quickly give it icons. So icons dot. Let's say first is home. Okay, it also needs label. Okay, don't forget. So label will be home. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, home. Then let's see, is this post? This should be uh, profile. The large should be what it should be. It should be, let's say, settings. Okay, then setting. Then icon start person. Okay, not person add but person. I am not getting. Okay, setting. Got it. And feed, do we have any feed kind of thing? No, but yeah, we have RSS feed. So we will use this right now. And let me run this. Do we see any outcome here? No, because of the theme, I guess. So let's keep some theme there. So for the bottom navigation bar theme, it did bottom navigation bar theme data. Okay, always remember theme needs theme data. Okay, and here let's say selected item color should be colors dot purple. Our app can look ugly, but we will make it beautiful in next few videos. So purple and selected should be gray, huh? Okay, okay, let's see if we can see something. Yeah, as you can see, we are able to see our bottom navigation bar items. Okay, by default the first is selected, that is why it is colored as purple, as we can see, and all the others are unselected, and that's why they are they are in grayish color. Okay, but this is not looking. Okay, so let's give it some shade of let's say 600. Cool. Okay, so till now we have made the app bar, bottom navigation bar. If you're thinking about this thing, then it will automatically added when we give drawer to our scaffold. So let's give drawer first. So yeah, you know then app bar will be complete. So right now I'm passing drawer. Okay, if you can see the icons, the icon came here automatically. Okay, and we are able to get the drawer from the right, from the left, sorry. So it needs a child. Okay, now see this. This is as you can see, all these things are put in the column. Okay, why column? Because they are aligned vertically. That is why we have to use a column over here. Okay, so let's use a column. Okay, and why is the need of column? Because column checks children. Okay, so in this case we have to put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 widgets, minimum 8 widgets, that to be in vertical manner, and that is why we are using column. So there is one circle in center, then two boxes below that. Okay, so let's try to add them. So for circle, let's use circle avatar. Circle avatar. So circle avatar is you know is used for the user profile kind of thing, where background is circular and in front we can add some user. So right now I'm just using circle avatar, and then we have to use two containers. Then container, then container. Okay, let's give it a width of 50. Sorry, no, 50 is more, and height is of 50. Sorry, width should be 50 and height should be 10. And here width should be 70 and height should be 10. Okay, so it is 70 because it is it is having some more width. Apart, rather than this, we can also use one more thing that is, by default provided by the Flutter, and that is user user account header, drawer header. Okay, it needs some name. Let's say Vivek. Okay, and account email Vivek y to find at gmail.com. Okay, what happened? Does it need a widget? Yes, it needs a widget. And okay, for widget, I am going to pass with a container of width 50 and height 10. For the account email also, I am going to pass you a container of width 50 and height 10. Excuse me for a moment. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so let's see output. For that, we have to open our drawer. We cannot see anything. Let's give it color dot white. Okay, white will be good on the blue background. We paste it here. Yeah, so we can see something. So 50 width is not working for us. Let's make it 150. Okay, it looks good. But still, we are not able to see that user. So for that user picture, do we have anything else? No, we're not. But why? There was an option like user picture. Okay, current account picture. This is, if we see current account picture, so pass it circular avatar and it will take over. So right now it looks perfect. Great. Okay. And so we have made these similar kind of these, and right now we have to put some bigger container. So for that, let okay, for that close this. Okay, and then container of height. So now the height is more, so height is 50 and width again. Let's say 200. Oh, give it more width. Copy, paste. Okay, field colors. So for colors, we are going to use blue. Okay, that color is blue color is our primary color. Okay, so we can also use theme dot of context dot primary color. Okay, okay. So we cannot. We want some gaps like this. Okay, we want gap like this. For that, to add that gap, we can use sized box of height, let's say 30. Yeah, it worked. But as you can see, we're not able to get cover the whole with path over. So why can't we use expanded? If we use expanded, it will okay. It is not gonna work. So right now we are going to keep it like this only. Okay, and it looks similar to this one, right? So we got the user profile picture over here. Okay, and then we got these two boxes. Okay, but this okay, this has been covered by this. Okay, let's put give some more cap to this user account. Okay, great. Now we want this box and this align at the bottom, and for that, let me introduce you a new widget that is known as spacer. What spacer does, spacer takes all the space available to it. Okay, so let me again, you know, have this container box over here. Now you can see the difference. So what spacer did, spacer took all the space available over here, and apart from this container. So when I keep container here, so it gave some space to it, but all the empty space has been taken by this spacer. Okay, and but we want a few space at the bottom. For that, we are going to use size box. If we copy and paste it, yeah, it works. And then let me introduce you one more widget, that is divider. So divider is very kind of widget that gives us uh, a line of gray color. But can you see the divider? Oh yeah, it needs it. We can increase the thickness. Let's say 4. Yeah. So we can say right now that it got a divider. Let me add few more space over here. It should be 20. 20 is looking good. No, make it 10. What happened? Yeah, it looks good. But thickness of 4 is too much. Make it 1. It looks good now. So for now we got what the drawer also we have covered. Okay, the app bar we have covered, and we have got our bottom navigation bar. Okay, so now it's time to make this feed type of widget. Okay, for that let me close this drawer. Okay, and as we can see, this is drawn in in between of this scaffold. Okay, so for that case we are going to use body. For now let's use body, and then container. Okay, it is having a border. Okay, so let's make the decoration, and in decoration box decoration, and in border. Okay, I'll give order dot all. Okay, colors dot gray. Yeah, we cannot see anything right here because now it's time to give it child. Containers take a child. Okay, if my outer box is container, then right now we need 1, 2, 3, at least 3 children. And for children, we are again going to use column. Okay, let me add the first children as a list style. So what is list style? List style is widget that gives us many useful widgets. For example, the leading one, then title, subtitle, and the trailing one. So it looks something like this. Let me show you. So in the leading, what we have the user avatar. For that we have to use not user avatar, circle avatar. Okay, and for title we are going to use container of height height 10, and width of let's say 100. And for subtitle again container of height 10 and width of 150, with color also. Color start blue. Color start blue. Okay, so as we can see, the list style automatically gives us, the user kind of thing here, that is leading and title and subtitle. We can also add one more line over here using, uh, uh, okay, so it supports 3 column text. Okay, and we can also add a trailing. Trailing is kind of widget that we can add at the end of this list style. Okay, so for that, let me use icon button, then icon can take, let's see what icons do we have, so that, you know, so we want icon like this with this 3 dots, and I'm not remembering that name. It is possibly not dots. Let's see if we can get that easily. Not able to find that. Okay, let me use this. It looks good now. So the first part is been covered. So where we have some circle, then 2 things over here, then add that one icon. Now we want 3 icon at the below. Okay. Oh yeah, before that this box. For that, let me again add container Okay, container of all. I want to cover this all place. Okay, for that I can use expanded now. I use color plus dot blue and over here expanded. Okay. So what expanded does, expanded help us to cover all the distance, cover all the width and height which is available. Okay. So if I use expanded, I guess I get all these things. Okay. But I don't want everything. So for that case, what we can do? Okay. Let's try one more thing. So let me put it in container. Okay. Remove this from here. It will give me an error. Okay, wait. We'll do that in letter part. Let me give it height and width. So height should be 300 and width should be media query dot of context dot size dot width. Okay, minus minus how much we have to need. So it gives us full width which is available. Okay, so we have to remove few parts from here, then here, then here. So let's remove 20%. For that, multiply by 0.2. Okay, so we got a container of height 300 and width minus 2%. So this looks good. Okay, from that now we have to use row. Why? Because we have the horizontal presentation of these items over here. So it needs children, and again I am going to use the icon button. Okay, here it needs on pressed, and an empty on press has been passed over here. We copy it, paste, paste, paste. Okay, we are developer, we should try copy paste. Okay, and as you can see we it got congested over here. Okay, so right now we can use the main axis alignment property, and we can use n axis alignment dot space evenly. Okay, it looks good now. Okay, let me change the icon. It should be like should be heart. ART, do we have a heart? Okay, like was right. No, favorite. Yeah, so we have favorite and share this post, and in there let's see what do we have. Okay, 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 we can put this. Okay, so it is like okay, I want this over here. It is like, comment and share. Okay, so yeah, I guess that is it. We have made all these things. Yeah, let me, yeah, come on, yeah. So let me put our app over here and let's compare if both things are working fine. Why it is not supported? I guess it is not supported. Okay, no problem. So we can keep these both things side by side. What happened? I guess we messed up something. We messed up something. Simulator is taking whole place of simulator was taking full screen. Let me increase this. Okay, yeah. So let's compare if we covered everything. So let's start with the top bar, the top app bar. So we can see three dots here, then some box, and then icon. Okay, and here we got the circle. Okay, circle, then two boxes at the end, one icon. Okay, And below that, okay, I guess I need to give a draw. I need to give something over there, and we can use over here. Okay, and we can use the order for that. Okay, there I just want to give it a gray color. Okay, it is not visible. Let's give it thickness of 1 and it should be visible. Yeah, so we can see this, right? And we cannot see this border, right? That for that what should do? Let's see if I have something else. Size should be here. Okay, width is 32. And can we see now? Okay, I guess it came down to here. Why? Because of this. So main axis size as minimum, and let's see if it works for us. Yeah, so now it works for us. So it was max earlier, that way it was taking the whole place. Now it is minimum, and that is why it came to here. But something is missing again. So for that, I can let me show you what was missing. H insert dot all 16. Okay, what happened? Okay. So because of margin, we gave empty space outside of the container, and that is why we are able to get this screen. So as we can see, this thing has been completed. We are having this bottom navigation bar at the bottom. Okay, and let's compare our drawer. So drawer looks some kind of similar to this, where we got two boxes over here. They are, and then the user info on the top of the box, and at the bottom we got this box with this line, that is our divider. Okay, so that is it for today's session. I know it didn't went very well because I'm kind of sick today. So yeah, let's see tomorrow what we get, and I will align all the live sessions. So stay tuned with me for 30 days of Flutter, and all the best. And this was the day 7. So thank you.